Hello, Victor Isibor here. In this video, I am going to show you a simple step-by-step guide to make up to $1,000 on a daily basis via Google. Okay, via Google. As you can see on my screen, we are on the Google website. Okay, now you're going to be writing articles and you're going to be getting paid for it by Google themselves as a blogger and by independent bodies. And I'm going to share with you 4 websites where you can get jobs for you to write articles. I know you're thinking, I don't know how to write articles. How am I going to be able to write articles? That's the hard part. And I'm going to show you in this video how you're going to be getting top quality articles for free that you can use without you being a victim of a plagiarism or copyright strike, okay, or copyright offenses, okay. Now, on google.com, what you want to do first of all is search for Google News. All right. Now, the first option that came out is Google News. You tap on it real quick and let it open up. Okay. Now, what we have in front of us is a resource for different articles across different niches: Nigeria, world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports. Now, the question to you is, what niche do you want to be writing articles on? What niche do you want to create a blog on? Let's say you want to choose business, okay? Then you just simply click on business, okay? And let's see what opens up. You will see the latest news and happenings across the globe that pertains to business, okay? Um, so if you decide to niche down to business, you're going to see that you'll find different news for business. Now, I clicked on one particular news and it is coming from the Punch newspaper. And you see that these articles, they are global. Okay, you can see articles from any resource worldwide. Okay, now let's say you want to write something about let's go back. Let's look for another news that is more decentralized, that is more general, that is more global. Um, Generators, phones, and other electrical imports to Nigeria gulped 3.7. Okay, so let's say you want to write a news. Okay, let's say you want to write a news about the asset freeze with Binance, the SEC inquiry, the SEC sanctions on Binance. Okay, it's business. Okay, now look at the news. Okay, so all you need to do is copy. Okay, copy, highlight, and copy the particular news. All right, we have highlighted and we have copied that particular news, and all we need to do is go and paste it on the website of the company that is paying us to be writing them business articles, or go and paste it on our Google blog that is monetized. It's as simple as that. Now, the question is, if we do it exactly like that, if it is put through plagiarism test, it will pass. It will show us where we copied it from. You know, there's an algorithm, there's an artificial intelligence algorithm that matches articles for articles globally, and you are going to be sanctioned for plagiarism. So, how do we prevent that from happening? We have to be able to reword every single statement here using different words so that it will seem like our article is different from this one. That is a lot of hard work, yeah? I know. Don't worry, I got you. I will show you a particular website that is driven by artificial intelligence that all it does is just paste what you want to paste there. It will change the entire narrative, change the entire wordings, and the article will pass the same information but using different words. Let's go there. All right, Dada, we are on spinbot.com. Look at it. It's asking you to paste. Okay, you will just simply paste this here and give the artificial intelligence robot time to work on the article, and you will have a totally different article passing the same message. And when they put it through the plagiarism test, it won't tick the box. It will be like, this is not plagiarism. They're talking about the same news, but this is an original content by this person. Now, because I'm using a screen recorder, if I click on paste, it will not go through because there are multiple devices. Okay, um, it will not go through. Okay, so uh, I'm going to have to paste it manually. Okay, but for those of you watching this video, you can just paste it however you like, provided you are not screen recording as at the time when you're trying to post the article. So now I've posted the article. Okay, while copying, we copied a lot of irrelevancies. So you want to go through the article that you pasted and remove some of the irrelevancies. Okay, just so that you would have a more compact article, straight to the point, and you don't want to put in all this irrelevant stuff that you copied on the website. Okay, so now when you are done doing your normal required edits like I'm doing now, what you want to do is scroll below and click on basic spin. This basic spin will do the job. This advanced paraphrase is premium. You'll have to pay for this. So for the purpose of this video, let us stick with basic spin. Now click on it. Then the bot will do its work. Give it some time to do its work. Then it will come out with the finished material that we can use. Dada! Now you can see when you scroll down, you will see this is the finished article. You see? See the original on top. See the original on top that we pasted. What is beneath is the finished work, the edited work. Okay? It has rewarded everything. It has rewarded everything. So what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, then click on copy. And when you copy it, you are good to go. Put it on your blog, it would be seen as original content. Put it on the websites that want to pay you to write articles, it will be seen as original content. So, what are some of the websites that are looking for people to write original content for them? The first one I'm going to show you is problogger.com. Look at problogger.com. They say content writer for high traffic blog network. Hiring US based veterinary writers. You can see all these particular jobs coming up. Passionate SEO writers for Nota software website, content writer for acupuncture, long-term work, content writer, welding, remote, different SEO content writer, payday loan writer. You see, different niches. And all these different niches, you will find them on Google News. Okay, all you need to do is just make your search, get the article, copy it, rephrase it, boom, paste it, it's original work, and you get paid. Okay, and different jobs here, they have different requirements, and you can see majority of them you can work from anywhere, work from home. They are remote jobs. All right, let's click on this one. For instance, let us look at the job specification. They say you can work from anywhere. It's part-time. Your category is social media strategy and management, small business type, you know, different. And many of these jobs, they will tell you the number of words they want you to write minimum. Say minimum so and so number of jobs. You see, $20 per hour. Okay, $20 per hour, 10 hours a week. Okay, different jobs. Okay, then you click on apply. And that's it. When you get the job, you are going to be writing articles, and I've shown you a way where you don't need to rack your brains to write articles. Okay. The other website I'm going to show you is shortstack.com. Shortstack.com. Okay. When you go to shortstack.com website, scroll all the way down, you will find Write for Us. All right. So when you click on the Write for Us, it's going to open up real quickly for you the writing jobs that they have for you. All right. See the topics that they cover. Okay. Interactive digital marketing, marketing best practices, content marketing, online lead generation. All those things you can search on Google News, and you will know what is happening there. And you're going to be giving them top quality content without having to rack your brain and all that. Okay. Another website where you can get jobs like this is writeraccess.com. Okay. Writeraccess.com. You see, the application processes for this are seamless and they are global. While the last one we want to talk about is skyward.com. Okay, it's a content company, and what you want to click on when you get to the website is freelance for us. Freelance for us. They are looking for freelancers. A lot of people are in the comfort of their homes and they are making a lot of money doing remote jobs. And when you click on I want to freelance, they will show you the next step to take. And you will see that they have a lot of jobs that require that you write articles for them. Okay. And at the beginning of the video, I showed you the best resource for you to get articles and a way for you to prevent being a victim of plagiarism offense. Look at this writer. Okay, that's the one we're interested in. And when you click on it real quick, you click on continue. You will have to create an account, and when you do, they will show you different jobs that requires that you write and you make money from your writing. I want to show you something real quick about freelance writing. Okay, you see, in freelance writing, you charge per word. Okay, people charge up to like 0.01 to $2 per word. So if you get a job of $2 per word and they said you should write 2,000 words, that's a whooping $4,000 from that single article. All right. So it's a very lucrative one. And you can see, you can even take your services, the skill that you have learned from this video, you can take it to Upwork or Fiverr. You can even create your own blog, become a blogger. Okay. Every day, 3 times a week, go on Google News, get an article that is related to your niche, change the wordings like I told you, put it on your blog, then you can monetize your blog and start making some money via Google AdSense. Okay? This is a creative way to make money. I mean, ways to make money in this era of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence are simply limitless. All right, guys, I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, smash the like button, share this video on your social media, and of course, please subscribe and let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibor. It is bye for now.